Hey guys, so quick video on how you can connect your HP laptop to speaker. So first thing how you're gonna do it is that I don't know if you have JBL, what kind of speaker you got, I got no idea. So what you need to do, you need to go to Bluetooth on your settings. So I will show you. You're gonna go to Bluetooth on your settings. Here you're gonna have add a Bluetooth or other device. You're gonna turn on your, let's say, JBL for the Bluetooth, and then you're gonna press Bluetooth here, and you're gonna have add a device. So it's looking for the device and it's going to look for the Bluetooth. And then what you need to do, you just have gonna press that yes, you want to connect it, and this is how it's done. So it's super simple. But maybe it's going to happen that it's not going to connect through the Bluetooth. Then you need to have an aux cable. So look if your JBL aux, if it has something like this, it's going to have it. Or where is the aux cable? Like for example, here it's aux cable. And then what you need to do is you need to connect aux cable to your HP laptop. And you're just going to connect to your HP laptop. So that's it.